How to recover deleted messages on Messenger 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Messenger app right here, and from in there we can see our messages. So for example, you deleted a message, so let's try to delete this right here. And if you want to retrieve that specific messages, then just click on these three lines up here and you can see these things right here. Just click on this gear icon, which is the settings. So let's click on that. And from there we can see this. So what we need to do is to just scroll down until we reach this account settings right here. So click on that and this will redirect you to this page. What you need to do is to just scroll down until you can see this your information right here, and under there you can see the download profile information. So just click on that and then this will load again, and you can see in here you can request a copy. So from in there just select all and then scroll down and look for messages right here. So let's look for messages. So you can also see a lot of things right here like topics, all of things right here, or this activity messages right here. So just click on those activity messages, and then after that, after you have selected a thing that you want to download, and then click on messages here again. Then after that, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you can choose a date range. So I will choose all of my data. You can also choose a format, but it's highly recommended to use HTML. You can also choose the media quality. Lower media quality will be in higher download. If you choose higher media quality, then this means higher download right there. So from there, I will choose medium. Then click on create a file on the bottom right there. And then this will load right here. And as you can see, we have requested activity messages and messages right here, and it is pending. And they will let us know once our copy has been sent to our inbox. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.